In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove pronouns on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. The pronouns is that inscription where it says he, his, just next to your name on the Instagram profile. And to remove that inscription, all you have to do is open up your Instagram, then hit add profile picture to open up your profile. Next, tap at edit profile and here tap where it says pronouns. There I got two pronouns, he and his. I said them before. You may have there up to 4 pronouns, and if you want to delete some of them or all of them, just hit next to that pronouns X icon to remove them one by one. And once you have finished with that, just hit done to apply the changes. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.